buggy over there. He's so cute. Just look at
Why
him.
are they watching us?
Probably like, are these Americans? They watched us?
Yeah, it's the same car. You just saw it.
Yeah, so now if we can somehow...
Cheers.
Oh, maybe they were looking because they saw the beer.
Oh, clear? No, it's because we're white. They probably don't even care, people. They probably don't care. I don't think it's legal to carry beer in your car in Mexico because you're not drinking it. Like in the US, you're not supposed to have it out, right? But in Mexico, I don't think they care. It's in the back seat, right? Truck.
Little police up there. I hope they're police.
I really hope that. I'm really scared about where we're going. Oh, this room now.
Are you sure?
Yes. That's what it's telling me. I hope that this GPS is right.
Alright, hold on a second. Pull over.
I don't want them to pull us over if we stop.
Just pull over. Stop right here. Yeah, they're gonna probably pull us over because we're doing weird stuff, and they're probably gonna ask if we need help or something.
Oh God, we're driving.
Just if they say anything to us, they're probably gonna try to help us. Don't look weird. That's the police. At this point, it's better off. Hola. Hola. Buenas tardes, señor.
We're lost. Sí.
Sí, lost?
Lost.
Lo siento, español es muy mal.
We're
Looking, mirar, por amigos. La dirección es...
Estamos adelante.
This way.
Sí, nada más pueden descender de su vehículo para hacer una revisión, por favor. ¿Pueden descender?
Paperwork?
Sí.
Sí. Where is the paperwork? Sin alcohol. Sin alcohol. Sí.
¿Pueden bajar, por favor?
Pueden bajar, si pueden bajar. Un momento, por favor.
¿Visarlos?
Sí, físicamente.
¿Físicamente?
Sí.
No entiendo.
Si pueden bajar. Un momento, por favor.
Lo siento, no entiendo. No entiendo.
Para eso necesitamos revisar. Descender, salir.
Come out? Okay.
Both of us or just you?
Ambos? Sí. Perdón. Fiesta, sí.
Nada que lo comprometa, nada de drogas.
No drogas. No.
¿Sin alcohol?
Sí, sin alcohol. ¿Está bien? Gracias.
Sí, sacaron la...
Gracias por tu paciencia. Lo siento por fiesta. Más adelante.
Okay, I was
No, they won't.
They won't go first?
No, you.
Oh, how am I gonna?
Do you want me to drive?
No, you go.
Okay. So you just follow your direction. He said it's up this way.
This way?
And then this way? So you see that? That's completely normal.
We got that on camera?
Yeah.
We got that on the video? I don't know if I can do this huge dip.
Okay, let me drive.
I don't know if this makes a difference. The car's the car. I don't know. They're way behind us. I don't think it makes a difference.
I could try.
I don't think it makes a... I don't think it makes a difference.
I think we'll be okay.
They're laughing at us. Probably those idiots.
Yeah, they're laughing at us. Put a little off-road mode.
He said follow him?
He said that we could follow him, but he can't even get around us.
Yeah.
He's going around us now.
Come on.
Okay, gracias. See, I told you, he's helping us. They're just helping us get there. That's so sweet.
I like this because we're from New York.
They probably feel bad for us.
They probably do.
I feel bad for us too.
Those idiots about to forget.
It's funny because the more I speak to them, the more they speak in English. They started laughing because they started talking to me in English. It's like I said no entiendo. I said no entiendo mi español, and he said, it's okay, don't worry, follow me.
I don't want to go back this way. They're gonna see the police at the party.
This is too funny. What a story this is.
This will look really bad after taking us on.
This little dog.
What are they doing? What are they doing?
¿Qué dirección?
It's saying this way.
Ah, pues aquí adelante. Sí, síguenos, pues aquí adelante.
Okay, gracias. So nice.
There's 3 of them. Feels family, right?
I think that, no, there's 4. And one of them said, thank you, have a good day.
Look at this guy's wondering what's going on.
He's like, why are these police
Look
with...
at him shaking his head.
And that dog's just yawning. Like, why are these police walking with these people? I mean, driving with these people? There's a lot of dogs. That's how you say more forward. Más adelante. Sure, that hill. And look, a paved road with a tope. I'm so happy to see a tope at this point in time. Put it back.
¿Es por aquí adelante, no?
Sí. Más adelante. Straight.
Ya ubican.
Sí. Gracias por tu ayuda.
Gracias.
Todo es muy amable. Adiós.
Adiós.
Sí, aquí. Sí. I don't know. I'm calling my friend. Maybe la dirección es no bien.
Que te la pase y te llevamos.
Sí, okay. Gracias por todo. Adiós.
Adiós.